Today we're going to prepare Pasta Puttanesca, a hearty and robust pasta dish with so many flavors, on so many levels, that range from tangy tomato, to the meaty but slightly sweet taste of olives. Hi, this is Connie, with another truly different variation of Italian cuisine in our series of pasta dishes.
And hi, this is Vince. Welcome to our channel. A quick recipe.
To start, let's review the basic ingredients you'll need. 1/2 cup of extra virgin olive oil. 6 flat anchovy fillets, finely chopped. 6 cloves of fresh garlic. 1/2 teaspoon of crushed red pepper flake. 1/2 teaspoon coarse black pepper. 2 teaspoons shriacha sauce. 1/4 cup kosher salt. A 28-ounce canned plum or diced tomatoes. 1 tablespoon of sugar. 1 1/2 cups of pitted and chopped olives. 3 tablespoons of capers. 4 tablespoons of fresh basil. And 1 pound of pasta.
Let's get started.
Like always, we suggest doing as much prep work as possible before starting to combine the ingredients. So Vince is going to blend the San Marzano plum tomatoes with a plunge blender.
You can substitute diced tomatoes if you like, but we love the San Marzano because of their distinct flavor and lower acidity.
And thanks for chopping the garlic. We use 6 cloves, but feel free to adjust the amount to suit your taste. While Vince is prepping the rest of the ingredients, like chopping the anchovies, olives, and pre-measuring the rest of the items, I'll add extra virgin olive oil to a warm large pan, at medium heat. Then I'll add the 6 chopped anchovy fillets. We want them to almost melt and become part of the olive oil. Now add the garlic. And lower the heat. We want to soften the garlic and infuse the olive oil, but don't want to brown the garlic too much. It might turn the recipe toward the bitter side. Now add the 1/2 teaspoon of crushed red pepper flake. A 1/2 teaspoon of coarse black pepper. 2 teaspoons of sriracha sauce, or your favorite hot chili-based sauce. When I add the 6 ounces of tomato paste, I always like to give it a chance to marry a little first in the olive oil with the rest of the seasonings. It's another opportunity to help infuse the tomato flavor with the herbs. Add the tomatoes, and bring the sauce up to low-medium heat. We're adding rigate to our pasta water that has been salted with only half the amount normally used. In this case, a 1/4 cup of kosher salt per 4 quarts. That's because of the high salt content of the other ingredients. Now comes the 1.5 cups of olives. We used 2 different types: Sicilian green Castelvetrano and Greek Kalamata. Castelvetranos are known for their meaty yet buttery flavor, because they're not cured and are treated to remove any bitterness. And the Kalamatas because they give a rich, distinctive smoky and fruity flavor. After the sauce is brought back up to temperature and it comes to a low simmer, we add 3 tablespoons of capers. If you see that the sauce is beginning to reduce significantly, add a little of the pasta water. While off camera, we dissolved a tablespoon of sugar into a little bit of the hot pasta water, and added it to the sauce. The sugar helps to lower the acidity of the tomatoes for those that might find the sauce too tart. The sauce should then come back to a low simmer. And just before the pasta is ready to be mixed into the sauce, add the fresh basil. We wait until now to add the basil because we don't want to overcook it, which would result in the basil losing its aromatics and sweetness. Just before the pasta is fully cooked, introduce it to the sauce, where it will continue to cook to perfection. Take a moment to subscribe to our quick recipe channel and give us a like.
It makes it possible to create more episodes for you.
Mix it well into the sauce so that this savory mixture clings to every bit of the pasta. That's why we use a pasta like rigatoni rigate. It has ridges that grab and hold the sauce so that the sauce and pasta become one.
By the way, rigate in Italian means ridged. Now it's ready to plate your delicious concoction. Wow, that's colorful, and the smell is intoxicating.
We'll drizzle it with a little bit of good extra virgin olive oil. Plus a few chiffonades of fresh basil. And a liberal sprinkling of your favorite cheese. Bon appétit! Here are a few more tips and recipes that you may find interesting. Also, check out our website, aquickrecipe.com, for more interesting cooking ideas.
Thanks for watching. See you next time on our YouTube channel, A Quick Recipe.